Good morning students, welcome to Sheba online class. Today we are going to see geography first lesson. The lesson name is the universe and the solar system. So today we are going to study about universe and the solar system. Before entering the lesson, I will say about universe and solar system பத்தி நான் ஒரு சில சொல்றேன். Okay, so where we are living, நம்ம எங்க இருக்கோம்? நம்ம வந்து நம்மளை கேட்டால் நீ எங்கே இருக்க அப்படின்னு கேட்டால் சென்னை சொல்லுவேன், என் தமிழ்நாடு, இன் இந்தியா, இப்படி தான் சொல்லுவோம். பிஃபோர் தட், அப்பார்ட் ஃப்ரம் தட், அதை தவிர நம்ம வந்து எங்கே இருக்கோன்னா த யூனிவர்ஸ். ஆக்சுவலி யூனிவர்ஸ்ன்றது தான் ஸ்டார்டிங். அந்த யூனிவர்ஸில் தான் கேலக்ஸின்றது, நெக்ஸ்ட் அந்த கேலக்ஸியில் தான் சோலார் சிஸ்டம். வீணோ 8 பிளானட்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதில் ஒன்று தான் நம்மளோட எர்த்து, அந்த சோலார் சிஸ்டம். நெக்ஸ்ட் அந்த சோலார் சிஸ்டமில் இருந்து தான் நமக்கு எர்த்துன்றது இருக்குது. அந்த எர்த்தில் தான் நம்ம எங்கே இருக்கோம், நம்ம கண்ட்ரியில், நம்ம இந்தியாவில் இருக்கோம். அந்த இந்தியாவில் நம்ம இருக்கிறது தமிழ்நாடு, அப்படி ஒரு இதுவாக வரும். ஓகேவா, இதுதான் நம்ம யூனிவர்ஸில் இருந்தால் நம்ம வந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆனது. ஸோ பிஃபோர் இதுதான் யூனிவர்ஸ்ன்றது. நெக்ஸ்ட் இதில் பார்க்க போகிறது சோலார் சிஸ்டம் பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ ஷால் வி கோ டு த லெசன்குள்ளே போகலாமா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் the universeன்றது பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். The universe is the vast expanse of space. Most astronomers believe universe came into existence after the Big Bang explosion 15 billion years ago. Actually the universe is a vast expanse of space. Most astronomers, நிறைய astronomers believing, what they are believing, after the Big Bang explosion in 15 billion years ago, Big Bang explosion க்கு அப்புறம் தான் யூனிவர்ஸே வந்ததுன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. The universe consists of stars, planets and comets, asteroids, next meteoroids and natural satellites. Universe consists of solar system, galaxy. Universe தான் என்ன இருக்குது, galaxy. நான் already told you இல்லை, galaxy சொன்ன solar system இருக்குது, and comets, இந்த இதெல்லாம் சொல்கிறோம்ல, வால் நட்சத்திரம், எரிக்கல்லாம் சொல்லுவாங்க, like this asteroids, meteoroidsனு everything is in the universe. எல்லாமே யூனிவர்ஸில் collectively there are many things in the universe. And the next galaxy, next to universe, what I told, galaxy சொன்ன, யூனிவர்ஸில் galaxy இருக்குது. A galaxy is the huge cluster of stars which held together by gravitational force. Most of the galaxy are scattered in space, but some remains in group. Actually after the Big Bang explosion, the galaxies are scattered in many small places, small galaxies இப்படிலாம் ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சு. After that the Milky Way galaxy was formed after 5 billion years ago, after the Big Bang explosion. After the Big Bang explosion க்கு அப்புறம் 5 million years ago, அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து இந்த Milky Way galaxy was formed. Our solar system is as a part of the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system, we know that நம்மளோட solar system with 8 planets also formed after the in the Milky Way galaxy. அந்த Milky Way galaxy ல solar systemமும் இருக்கு. Next we are going to see the solar system. Before that I will show you this picture. This is our solar system. இதுதான் நம்மளோட solar system. So in solar system we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So in last we don't have a Pluto also. The Pluto is not now. இது வந்து Pluto is the next planet is not more. So this 8 planets are called as a solar system. So first the solar system. Before going to solar system, I want to say one thing. You know that revolves and rotation. This is very important in this lesson because the full planets is நம்ம பற்றி படிக்க போகிறதே planetsல revolves and rotation. About this only we are going to read. First, what is mean by revolves and what is mean by rotation? Revolves na enna, rotation na enna சொல்றேன். Just listen to me. This is sun. Okay, can you see this? This is sun. இந்த sun இருக்குன்னா இப்போ அந்த sun வந்து earth வந்து அஸ்யூம் பண்ணிக்கோ. This is a earth. So சன்னை இப்படி சுற்றி அந்த earth வருது இல்லையா, that is called as a revolves. அதை சுற்றி வர்றது revolves. ஆனால் அந்த earth வந்து செப்பரேட்டாகவே தானாகவே ரொட்டேட் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கு இல்லையா, that is a rotation. ஓகேவா, சன்னை சுற்றி வர்றது revolvesனு சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ அதுவே தானாக சுற்றி வர்றது ரொட்டேஷன்னு சொல்லுவோம், அதுவும் ரொட்டேட் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும். இதுதான் revolves and rotation. So in this lesson we are going to see that fully அதை பற்றி தான் reverse rotation ஃபுல்லாக வரும். So the solar system, the word solar derived from the Roman word sol. Actually the solar system derived from the word sol என்றது தான் the meaning, which means the sun god. The sun god, the meaning is sun god. The solar system believed to have formed about 4.5 billion years ago. The solar system was formed before 4.5 billion years ago. The solar system is gravitationally balanced system, consists of sun, 8 planets. I told you that 8 planets. The solar system is consist of 8 planets, sun and many asteroids, meteoroids like this and comets, everything in solar system. இதில் ஒரு இதுலையுமே நமக்கு அந்த எரிக்கல்லாம் சொன்னலையா, comets இது மாதிரி asteroidsலாம் எல்லாமே இருக்கு. So this is the solar system. Next we are going to see about the sun. Sun பற்றி இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். So this is sun. I showed you இதுதான் sun. நம்ம solar systemல first sun பற்றி பார்க்குறோம். The sun is center of solar system. All planets revolve around the sun. This is sun. Sun is the center of our solar system. All the planets revolve around the sun. I told you revolve ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும். That is called as a revolution. So இது வந்து sun வந்து சுற்றி வந்துட்டு இருக்கும். The sun is very hot gases like hydrogen and helium. Sun temperature 6000 degrees Celsius. Actually the sun contains with the hydrogen and helium gases is inside the sun. The sun temperature is 6000 degrees Celsius. You know that normal degree Celsius நம்மள 100 degrees Celsius we can't bear that. அது வந்து நம்மளால ஏத்துக்க முடியாது, தாங்க முடியாது. But sun degree Celsius is 6000 degrees Celsius. Sunlight takes about 8.3 minutes to reach the earth. Actually earth is here, sun is here, so sunlight takes want to reach the earth in 8.3 minutes ஆகும். அதாவது 8.3 minutes வந்து சன்ல இருந்து earthோட நமக்கு அந்த sunlight வந்து வரதுக்கு ரீச் ஆகிறதுக்கு டைம் எடுக்குது. Next we are going to see the planets. I told you already 8 planets are there. So next we are going to see about the planets. First, before that explanation, I will tell that the word planet means wanderer. There are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The planets move around the sun is known as orbit. Actually, the planets, 8 planets are there: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So the 8 planets are there. The 8 planets are revolve around the sun is called as a orbit. Adu sutti varada we are saying that orbit. And Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are called inner or terrestrial. This Mercury, see this Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These planets are called inner and terrestrial planets nu solranga. Inner and terrestrial planets, these 4 planets. Next Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are called as a outer planets or Jovian planets. We are saying Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are called outer planets or Jovian planets. Now you understand this. First I told about the planets la 8 planets are there. First 4 planets are inner planets and the next 4 are outer planets. So next we are going to see the explanation about Mercury. Before going to Mercury, see this. This is Mercury, the separate picture of Mercury. Okay, I will tell you the explanation. The Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the sun. It is airless and waterless planet. It has no natural satellites. Actually in Mercury there is no water and no satellites, no natural satellites, and this is a waterless planet. There is no water also. This is the smallest, closest and smallest planet to the sun. This is very nearest to sun. Sunukku பக்கத்திலே இருக்கிற planet னு சொல்லி Mercury சொல்றோம். And next we are going to see the Venus. It is the hottest planet. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is called the Earth's twins as it is almost the same size as the Earth. Actually Venus is the second planet. We know Mercury, next one is the second one is the Venus. So this is the second planet and Venus is the twins to Earth and சொல்றாங்க because this size of the Venus and the Earth are same. So Venus is also called as the twins of Earth and it rotates opposite to all other planets except Uranus. Actually all the planets, எல்லா planetsம் இப்படி வந்து நம்ம revolve ஆச்சுனா only the Venus and Uranus opposite directionல revolve ஆகும். That is the difference. Venus and Uranus always revolves around the opposite direction to other planets. and it is visible in morning and evening, so it is called as a morning star and the evening star. Venus always appears in a morning layum theriyum, evening layum theriyum, so it is called as a morning star and evening star nu solli Venus solrom. Next we are going to see the earth. Earth வந்து actually we know that we are in earth. நம்ம எர்த்தில் தான் இருக்கோம். That is the living planet. All the living beings, human beings, everyone எல்லாருமே இருக்கிறது நம்ம earthல தான். So we are going to see the earth. This is the third planet from the sun. Actually earth is the third planet from the sun and the fifth largest planet. Earth is called as a fifth largest planet. It is called as blue planet or watery planet. Actually you can see this in earth there is a lot of blue places. Actually blue color is blue planet, actually water content சொல்றதா blue planet, and it is otherwise called as a watery planet சொல்றோம். That green color is actually, that is land part தான் வந்து green colorல நமக்கு earthல இருக்கு. So 3/4 of the earth is covered by water. Our earth is covered by 3/4 of the place is covered by water. Mostly 3/4 of the place எதுல covered ஆயிருக்கு, waterல cover ஆயிருக்கு. And the next one, the earth revolves around the sun at the speed of about 30 km per second. The earth revolves. I told you the earth revolves on the sun சுத்தி வரதுக்கு எவ்வளோ டைம் எடுக்குது, 30 km per second. In per second the earth revolves the sun in 30 km per second. Only natural satellite of the earth is the moon. We know that moon தெரியும் இல்லையா, அந்த moon தான் நம்ம earthல இருக்கிற natural satellite சொல்றாங்க. So finished the earth. I understand this. Earth பத்தி புரியுதா? After the earth we are going to see the Mars, the red planet. Mars is otherwise called as a red planet. So Mars is the fourth planet from the sun, second smallest planet after Mercury. Actually Mars is the fourth planet. Mars வந்து என்ன planetல இருக்கு, fourth planet from the sun. sunல இருந்து fourth planetல இருக்கு and second smallest planet after Mercury. After the Mercury, that is the second smallest planet. So there is due to iron oxide, it is red in color. Actually iron oxide content அதிகமா இருக்கிறதுனால the Mars is in red color, red in color, so it is called as a red planet. So Mars is called as a red planet. I understand this Mars. Mars பத்தி புரியுதா? Next we are going to see the Jupiter. We know Jupiter. See this picture. You can see this. See the Jupiter picture. The largest planet. The Jupiter is also called as a largest planet. Jupiter is fifth planet from the sun and the largest planet in the solar system. Actually this is the fifth planet from the sun. Jupiter is fifth planet from the sun and the largest planet in solar system. It is very big. We know that in a solar system picture, look at that backside picture also, the Jupiter is very big size. It is the fastest spinning planet. It is also called as a gas giant planet. Actually this planet is spin very fast, so that is also called as the fastest spinning planet and it is called as gas giant planet. This planet consists of fully with gases, so this planet is called as gas giant planet. And the next is we are going to see the Saturn. We are going to see this next planet, and the Saturn is otherwise called as a ringed planet. We know, look at this picture. Saturnல எப்படி ஒரு ring வந்து சுத்தி இருக்க அந்த planet, the ringed planet. So Saturn is called as a ringed planet. Saturn is sixth planet. Next to Jupiter, it is largest. Actually Saturn also the largest planet next to Jupiter. Jupiter க்கு அடுத்த சைஸ்ல இருக்கிறது பார்த்தா Saturn, அதோட ring வந்திருக்கும். So and Saturn has many ring around it that contain ice, rocks and dust particles. Actually that rings, Saturn la the ring irukலையா, அந்த rings, that rings fully covered with ice and dust particles and rocks. Ice, rocks and dust particles is covered in that ring. So this is the Saturn explanation. Saturn is, I already told you, next to Jupiter, it is the largest planet. So next we are going to see the Uranus. Uranus is a somersaulting planet. We are saying Uranus is a somersaulting planet. So Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun. It was the first to be discovered with telescope by astronomer William Herschel in 1781. Actually Uranus is a seventh planet from in the sun. Uranus is the seventh planet. So it was first discovered with telescope. Telescope astronomer வில்லியம் ஹெர்ஷல் வந்து ஃபஸ்ட்டு யுரேனஸை அவர் தான் வந்து கண்டுபிடிச்சது. he introduced that in 1781, first discovered in 1781. It appears in green in due to the presence of methane. Actually Uranus contains only with the methane, so that Uranus color is very green in color. So green color of the sky, it rotates on its axis from the east to west like Venus. I already told you, in Venus I told you, because in Venus Venus and Uranus, in the both the planets are rotates the opposite direction. Other planets or side pochuna, it revolves in opposite direction, Venus and Uranus. Next we are going to see the Neptune. Neptune, the coldest planet. The Neptune is called as the coldest planet. Neptune is the 8th and farthest planet from the sun. Actually Neptune is the 8th planet and the farthest planet, very long to sun. First planet is first we are seeing the sun, and the Neptune is the last planet. So it is very farthest from the sun. There is strong winds in this planet. It is named after the Roman god of sea. It is far away, so it is the coldest planet. Actually if you are near to sun, anga eppadi irukku, temperature is very high, but here the Neptune is very long to farthest to the sun, so this place is very cold. This place is very cold. This place is also called as the coldest planet. And next, that dwarf planet. What is dwarf planet? See, there are small celestial bodies found beyond the planet Neptune. They are almost spherical in shape. 5 dwarf planet actually apart from this solar system planets. Next we are going to see the dwarf planets. So the dwarf planet is small celestial bodies found beyond the planet Neptune. In the Neptune க்கு அடுத்தது இங்க இருக்கிற planets, that is small celestial bodies ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. That planets are called as a dwarf planet. So that also in the spherical shape. That planets also in a spherical shape. And 5 dwarf planets I am going to say: Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Make and Hammer. Pluto, Ceres, Eris, Make and Hyuma. Actually these are the planets, dwarf planets after to Neptune. And next is the moon. We know that moon ellarkume theriyum illaya. The moon is only satellite, revolves around the earth once every 27 days and 8 hours. Actually moon is only satellite, revolves around the earth in 27 days and 8 hours. It takes time to revolve around the earth in 27 days and 8 hours. It takes same time to complete one rotation. I already told, the revolution means sutti varadu and rotation means adu taana suttikirudhu. So here it takes some same time to complete one rotation. It takes the same time to complete that rotation also. Next, the asteroids. Asteroids are small objects that moves the sun. They are found between Mars and Jupiter. They are also called as the planetoid. Actually here mostly the asteroids is the small planets, small planets, chinna planets. There is surround always this place Mars and Jupiter இது இருக்கு இல்லையா, இந்த பிளேசஸ்க்கு சென்டரில் தான் asteroids always அங்கே தான் வந்து ரிவால்வ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ this asteroids is between the Mars and Jupiter. They are also called as the planetoid. Actually this asteroids is otherwise called as the planetoid. And next one is a comet. The comet, it is the celestial object made with a head and tail. Its head is consists of solid particles held together by ice, and tail is made up of gases. Actually the what is it? Comet is இந்த சொன்னல வால் மீன் சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, like this, that வால் நட்சத்திரம் சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, like this. So the head and tail, it consists of head and tail இருக்கும். So head is consist of ice எல்லாம் இருக்கும்னு சொல்கிறாங்க, ice particles, and the tail is made up of gases. The head is consist of ice particles and the tail is consist of gases. So Halley's comet is famous comet. It will come close to the earth once in every 76 years. Actually that comet, the Halley's comet is very famous comet. That comet comes in every 76 years. 76 years once the Halley's comet varum. It last appeared in 1986. That Halley's comet has appeared in 1986, but next appear in 2061. இது next எப்போ இந்த Halley's comet வரும், 2061 தான் வரும். And next meteors and meteoroids. Meteors and meteoroids பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம். So the meteoroids I told you ericals சொன்னேன். So it is also called as a shooting stars. The meteoroids is all otherwise called as a shooting stars. It stone like or metallic body, mostly it is burned. Actually it is look like a metallic body and the stones மாதிரி இருக்கும் இந்த meteoroids. So if that is entered into the earth குள்ள வந்து mostly that will not enter. If reach the earth it will burnt. Mostly அது வந்து earth reach ஆகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடியே அது burnt ஆயிடுதுன்றாங்க. That is called as meteoroids. And next we are going to see the motions of the earth. What is the motions of the earth? So I want to say one example for you. So if we travel to some other place, when we travel in train or bus anything, எதுலையாவது போயிட்டு இருக்கோம் நம்ம போகிறப்ப when we travel, if we see outside the trees everything houses என்ன பார்த்தாலும் அதுவும் கூட மூவ் ஆகுற மாதிரி இருக்கும். ட்ராவல் பண்ணுறது மூவ் ஆகிறது யார்? நம்ம தான் மூவ் ஆகுறோம். ஆனால் அங்கே வெளியே அவுட் சைடில் அதை பார்க்குறப்ப அதுவும் எப்படி இருக்கும்? அதுவும் மூவ் ஆகிக்கிட்டே இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். லைக் தட் நமக்கு இப்போ வந்து பார்த்தா நம்ம எர்த்து வந்து ரிவால்வ் ஆகிட்டே இருக்குது, நமக்கு அது தெரியுதா? ஆனால் நமக்கு பார்க்குறப்ப சன் எப்படி இருக்குது? சன் தான் மூவ் ஆகிற மாதிரி இருக்குது இல்லையா? சன் வந்து டைரக்ஷன் டு டைரக்ஷன் போயிட்டே இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்குது. அதுதான் எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, மோஷன் ஆஃப் த எர்த். ஸோ இங்கே எர்த் தான் ரிவால்வ் ஆகுது, த சன் இஸ் நாட் ரிவால்விங். அது வந்து மூமெண்ட்டோடு இல்லை, சன் வந்து அப்படி மூவ் ஆகலை, நமக்கு பார்க்குறதுக்கு இப்படி இருக்குது. ஸோ இதுதான் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் வந்து சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. த ரொட்டேஷன் எர்த் டேக் டு ரொட்டேட் வெஸ்ட் டு ஈஸ்ட் 23 hours 56 minutes 4.9 seconds. ஆக்சுவலி த எர்த் டேக்ஸ் ரொட்டேஷன் சன் கிட்ட நம்ம நார்மலி சன் ரைசஸ் இந்த வேர் அது வந்து சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா? So here the sun rises in the east அது சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, and set in the west. So here இது என்ன ஆகுது, east to west இந்த directions போகிறதுக்கே 23 hours 56 minutes and 4.9 seconds it will take complete one rotation. ஒரு ரொட்டேஷனே அந்த எர்த்து சுற்றி வர்றதுக்கே, எர்த் ரொட்டேஷன் I told you அது தானாக சுற்றி வர்றதுக்கே that will take this much of time. One rotation is 1 day. We know that அந்த டைமிங்க்கு one rotation அது சுற்றி வர்றது தான் நமக்கு வந்து 1 day. Next revolution the earth takes 365 half quarter days to complete revolution around the sun. Actually earth வந்து அதுவே ரொட்டேட் ஆகிறதுக்கு தான் நமக்கு இந்த 23 minutes அந்த மினிட்ஸ் சொல்லியிருந்தேன். பட் here the earth takes சன்னை ரொட்டேட் பண்ணி வரதுக்கு we know 365 days போகும். Actually 365 and quarter days. The calculation is 365 and quarter days and around the sun 30 km per second. The earth reaches the sun in 30 km per second. ஒரு செகண்ட்க்கு 30 kilometers that is reaching. But we take 365 days as a year. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், 365 days as a year எடுத்துட்டு that quarter days I told you இல்ல, that quarter days 1 day ஆகிற வரைக்கும் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி 4 year once we are saying the leap year சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, February month 29 days leap year சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அந்த leap year நம்ம வந்து அதை ஆட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். This is revolution. And the last we are going to see and before that the revolution climate change due to the earth revolution. Actually the climate வந்து changes. எப்படி வருது, earth revolve ஆகிறப்ப அது direction அது change ஆகிறப்ப என்ன ஆகுது, sometimes we are having a very high temperature, sometimes we have a cold temperature. அந்த sun directionல இருந்து அது revolve ஆகி சுற்றி வரதில் தான் நமக்கு இந்த climatic changes also happening. And next last we are going to see that spheres of earth. What is the spheres of earth? We have 4 spheres of earth, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. What are the 4 types of spheres? Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. So first we are going to see the lithosphere. The lithosphere is consist of rocks and soils. Actually in lithosphere part it consists of rocks, mostly the land parts. In land parts and the rocks soils இதெல்லாம் consist பண்ணி இருக்கிறது தான் lithosphere னு சொல்றோம். And next we are going to see the hydrosphere. That hydrosphere, the water bodies, oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, everything is called as a hydrosphere. In the hydrosphere it consists of water parts. நம்மளோட எர்த்தில் water parts இருக்கு இல்லையா, that water parts everything is called as a hydrosphere. In the water parts, for example, oceans, lakes, rivers, everything is there. So that is called as a hydrosphere. And next is a atmosphere. The atmosphere contains with gases. Most of the gases is contained in the atmosphere. What are the gases? it consists of gases nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21% and other gases hydrogen, helium like this gases. இது எல்லாமே atmosphereல இருக்கு. What are the gases? Nitrogen 78% and oxygen 21% and other gases hydrogen, helium like this gases also consist in atmosphere. And the last one is the biosphere. That biosphere, all other spheres contained in biosphere. Life exists actually. We are living in a biosphere. So land part, water part and everything, atmosphere, gases, everything is in biosphere. இதுதான் first புரியுதா பாரு. In lithosphere only the land part, rocks and soils, everything is in lithosphere. And hydrosphere, it is a watery part. In watery part, that oceans, lakes, rivers, everything is in watery part. எல்லாமே இருக்குது hydrosphere. And atmosphere, it is contained with fully with gases. The gases எல்லாமே contained ஆயிருக்கிறது atmosphere. And biosphere is mixed with lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. இதெல்லாம் சேர்ந்தது தான் நமக்கு biosphere. So okay students, lesson over. Once again I will show this picture and I will explain the planets. See this. This is sun and the next to the sun is Mercury and this is the first planet and the second one is the Venus, this is second planet and the third one is the Earth, this is third planet and the fourth one is Mars, this is the fourth planet and the next one is the Jupiter, this is fifth planet and Saturn, this is the sixth planet and the Uranus is the seventh and Neptune is the eighth. So these are the 8 planets in solar system. You understand this? Okay students, I hope you all are understand this lesson. I will send you homework in WhatsApp group. So write your homework properly and if you have any doubts, just listen the video again and again. See you in the next class. Thank you students.